I'm Terry Bradshaw, and my team is searching the country to meet the innovative professionals who are on track to become tomorrow's business leaders. This is Business Day. The average commercial, rooftop heating, ventilation, and air conditioning unit, known in the business as an HVAC, is not as efficient as one would want it to be. The basic design has not been improved upon over the many decades they've been in use, and it can actually be a hog of energy resources. Traditional HVAC technology calls for the fan and compressor to be 100% on or off. These cycles can result in uneven cooling over the course of the day. Building occupants go through periods feeling either too cold or too warm and muggy. And since they're routinely installed with a higher capacity than the building really needs, it causes an immense and costly energy demand spike each time the system comes on. There has got to be a better way, and now there is.
More than 60% commercial buildings are using rooftop units, which consume twice more electricity and gas. Often, they cause indoor air quality and comfort problem as well.
Bes-Tech's Digi-RTU solution controls the rooftop HVAC system in order to promote smoother operation, eliminate massive power spikes, and heat, cool, and dehumidify the building more efficiently. The system modulates the fan and compressors to address the actual needs of those within the building, reflecting the number of occupants, outside temperature, and time of day. The result is more even climate control with up to 50% reduction in energy demand and consumption month after month.
Dependent upon the building function, the climate, and the seasonality, we would expect the tenant to experience a 30 to 50% reduction in energy costs, as well as a reduction in maintenance of the HVAC rooftop unit and extending its life.
Rather than using 100% cooling to bring the temperature down lower than it really needs to be, and then waiting for the building temperature to rise again until it's warmer than desirable, over and over again all day, the Bes-Tech solution allows for a happy medium. Allowing the HVAC system to operate at 50% or 60% or whatever the current building conditions call for enables the occupants to experience a stable, pleasant climate all day long. The temperature is more consistent, the humidity is improved, and there's a noticeable reduction in noise as well as required system maintenance.
The difference between incremental product improvement and innovation. Innovation will typically come from companies like Bes-Tech, who are out of the mainstream and are not bound by prejudices or pre-process that determines the outcomes.
2/3 of all commercial air conditioning in the U.S. is provided by rooftop units. Imagine the impact that could be made if they were all equipped with the Digi-RTU technology.
We are doing a research project that is a year-long study where we're measuring the performance of 60 rooftop units that have been retrofit with 3 different technologies. This is in preparation for a design of an energy efficiency program that will help thousands of small businesses implement that equipment, reduce their energy use, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
One of the things holding back such a paradigm shift is that the managers of many companies are overwhelmed by guiding their business operations, and they fail to notice the waste of money that may be happening within their very infrastructure. A thorough energy consumption audit would help these managers see how wasteful their current system probably is and the potential to save their companies a considerable sum of money.
Bes-Tech does perform audit, identify the opportunity, savings, and a cost. We also perform the implementation, guarantee the comfort and the savings.
Every business is combing through its procedures in search of opportunities to save money and resources. It's now possible for them to make their heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system an ally instead of a liability.